Hello and welcome to day number 108 of our Travel Trader series. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we did today in the markets. As you might have seen, markets went up after President Trump talked about reopening the markets in the US. So Wall Street's Dow Jones and the S&P went quite up, which is good for everyone that is still in a long position. And we used that today in our index trading, at least in the morning. And I opened up 3 trades in a row. And the first one was a profit with €202.50. The second one was another profit with €1,136.25. And the third one was an actual loss of €15, so a 1.5. And in total, we earned €1,323.75 with our mentoring account. And that's quite a great result. However, I personally am not too happy about it because if you look at it from a different standpoint, or my point of view on it is that I should have been able in an ideal world to make around €6,000, but I only made €1,323.75. So from in my opinion, it's a bad trading day. Although, of course, if you make like a 4-figure sum in a little account, as we are trading it here in that mentoring for this travel trader series, it's still a great result. However, when you realize that you could have done way better, it's not the perfect day, or it's not something that you as a trader makes you very, very happy. So that's when you look at it and you become very, very critical about yourself. Anyway, we made some money today, and we still have chances in the next week to make a lot more money. In the current situation, we're doing phenomenally well. Like we more than tripled our account since we started, and we are paying out things for charity, and the $5,000 I take out every month to showcase that you could live from it. 5K is enough for you, but actually we pretty much quadrupled it already. But in terms of the account size, we're trading now at roughly €64,000 again. So that's quite a nice result. We still have 4 trades open, so let me walk you quickly through it. I opened a position in Euro US dollar, which first went in our direction, then it came back. So we're currently down $390, but I'm still very, very positive that we will turn into our desired direction, which would be downwards. So US dollar getting stronger against the euro, and then we will make a decent amount of money out of it. Oil is a bit down today, so we're at a negative €291.60. Tonight I automatically opened a position in rice. Rice has like weird trading hours, so I didn't want to stay up that long, so I put an automatic trade into the system. We're currently up €72 in rice. Going long means we want the price to go up. And the other position that I already put in, I think the day before yesterday, is soybeans, and soybeans are currently up €684. So we have another unrealized profits of €110 in our account currently, and I'm quite sure that will be come much more in the next few days. And of course, we will look forward to several other trades. So I already have 3 potential trades that I want to go in on Monday. So let's look forward to that. Enjoy the evening as well, but the weekend. And then on Monday, we can go into these new trades and make some more money out of it. So for today, we have 4 open positions, still some unrealized profits. We did our little index trading, making €1,323.75. Although we should have done more, and we will have looked forward to next week, where on the 21st we also do our trading for charity. So whatever we will make during that day in terms of trading, we will donate to charity. If you know a charity that you want to have supported, please let me know in the comment section so I can put it on the list and we can pay out whatever we make that day over the coming months. And yeah, that's the update for today. Tomorrow I want to talk a little bit about a book that I recently read and that I would personally like to recommend if you're interested in financial crisis, how to deal with them. And on Sunday we will have another video where we go deeper into fundamentals of trading. So we will learn a little bit more so we can get you to exactly the same level so you can have the same results, same lifestyle, same earnings, and that's the goal of that series. So let's look forward to that over the weekend. I wish you a great evening and we'll talk again to you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.